IGC News, Nima Olivia Akwaba. Ahade latest and hot news. Akwa enamede Bremo. Anuti se wuna subscribe ya. Bomode ya se subscribe to the channel. Dobe ya se click the subscribe button. Now a belly notification where the side video be uploaded. When the first person that was sabeka ASR video. I feel you are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, please. And I feel share my offer for us. So now when you be here. Now we're in somewhere else, so I will Ghana name on. I feel younger here and somewhere I bet to your so. A democracy hub, one day demonstration, a protest, a share so the lady acquired simply to say a police for a bocabo, a cochi Roma, a do one a court, a simply I'm a kind of food be now like a setia, a year, Subaya, a year, police for the lady, which is in pretty. Now, when I am running in Bako, I have friend lawyer Martin Pebu, Eddie, and some of you what you say, Dampare, IGP Dampare, and so Dampare, one about money. Oh, what you say, Dampare, Láwless, a copy of Láwless who come upon, and say, Dampare. Much of free, more would you name Suko, Mamma Mubiano. To say, Mamma access to even a lawyer, and say a council. Any a Matipubu, any what to be their money, a year IGP Dampare, on your Akufo Addo, while you're in a passa, what they send to do now. Samson and Sammy also a list to wear, or also a regular panelist. On the political talk show, also the way Dampare passage said, well, food to say, and somewhere across the route to say, again the hip hop, papa, where you buy police for any IGP and Kofu in Adanedino, the boo of one, I'm a what to be Eddie, and Manuel. Now, I think to Mara could say a lawyer, Mati, people in Samara, what the head to drive for penalist to well, no sooner said no head to us. Liberty and Samara across the
I think I trust the police for democracy hub. We are here, Makoda and court in the Kawia. Police were Nyadi, or my Nyadi, Mubum Rabbit, so make I don't know crime to say, is this 1984, 85, 86, Rollins Abredo, and I say this is Ghana's democracy. They say, now, Dampare, not a man for Bojino to say, oh, IGP Papa, or no, yes, I don't know. It's very lawless, very lawless. IGP lawless will be able to come here. Check. Wait, when I'm out for budget, so Dampare, the new sheriff.
But like I said, Dampare, you were here, doctor, no be a budget, so Dampare, there, were there, that. What kind of lawless? That's one boom, boom, baby, so.
Lawless, your friend, a 9-day wonder, near other year initially. Or lawless will be our crew.
Now, she said, Diana, why you say lawyer?
Okay, into Osha and Mrana or Mobusuna. And no, NHS IGP Nanka say lawless because Okoho, Ekutia police Funa no Mutina Homoye, Juman, and new mood at 30 years. That is our poor mother, Maya, the much your more anyhow. Number one, which you be a won't mean in the crime say. Obehu ne lawyer ene ne busuafo emra mouth answer
okay
emra mouth kwan nti eno so basic nipa ne hwe okuku mu obema obehu lawyer no obehu ne busuafo mo si debi na mo de omo asiesie na that time on free akonya no so this nonsense ka fa yes be anim sebio because ya anya campaign so on be gi anya ade bia sa IGP asu this is so basic. Now when also the police, wait, when you did the ID, Ade, oh my Ade, media, or not to Ghana. What kind of nonsense is this? What's it a mouthful? She will move baby or move a funny lawyer, baby on one, now with your way, would your wife say baby or move wrong, so that not that Dampare is more lawless than any West criminal in Ghana. That your small crimes with. Small crimes with. Won't to me, cause say turn on the Mri forest. While set turn on the Mri forest 2 years ago, yeah, the petition command CID board for Sina and Okofi. And that made engineer this and Ken Ofori Atta, Adam Senano, 4 of us, yeah, the petition command and Okofi for Sina CID board. And that Ken Ofori Media Coalition. Day another petition, Ekoma, where your friend is saying, Dampare Ankasa. And I think that petition, no can't hold the man and the coffee. Galamsey, 2 years later, Dampare which means this case na court. Na emeguna be na somo yo ye juicy news on YouTube. Omo dey ya kwachi omo mo lawyers. Mo diane mo chiro mo. Who is more lawless than Dampare? Who is more lawless than IGP and the CID board? Who is more lawless in this country than them? And ya na botiano omo ku 9 citizens. Dampare ya amo ye ku 9 citizens. Then citizens na ye ku omo a friend Boiler side, that man go boiler side. That is never court. Other killings, police headquarters. And you mean that Dampare supervisor. Who IGP are more lawless than Dampare. Oh, Ghana for much now. Son of the next time we had one say, a Kweku or Kukuma man for no. Son of the course, if you are the bad demonstrators. So, they want to know.
Lawyer, we said to me bina a wasro and a send money yes and because Dampare the doctor Danke him say a big crown at least yen nimembra Sammy him say a bianco no dianka what nim dear dream sukuya wakoya or doctor dear and kebia what you know maybe I say yan put if we are innocent of the law a bia more lovely dear and Kajisu say as I say who say a bia yachiobi nipa no owo ho kwan se o ma ne lawyer oni lawyer kasa anasa ne busu ni bi mpo ba honom wo mo akodem aye ma o aduane for votes ahian 48 hours na nasifwe. Do you foresee or do you think is a to be na wotro and e hye ne ma ne yes ana?
To me, yes, indirectly, because also IG position no a politician no IG no any exams na Dampare tro ye no nyaye there be or yeah, Akufo Addo nipa, or a politician, and IG is a politician. Into ya, a bank some no way you know. And you also boss near Akufo Addo, you know, and no idea no yet. I think Akufo Addo he chooses people who are like him, lawless. That's why you see. I say, oh, opening. Yes, now we say IG yet exams. Could be something for exams yet. And I think you're moving Nimna come position at that. And exams. Omuji politician so mpanyinfo mpanyinfo na tutuana yentin kaso na tutuana
lawyer when you sure say the words that your choice of words now we use as president is I mean or lawless
and galamsey okay from beko galamsey ekodi won to me ye di petition ekodan IG ne madam and Kofi say your friend is saying, won't me? I said, 10 on the forest, galamsey. No, oh, my friend could not go for India. I said, or no, Abra or Casano, won't me need 10 on the forest or won't me any hot. He was defending won't me, and all other things President Akufo Addo is done to defend other people, no clearing agents, you know. That's what I'm saying. It's also lawless. Clearing agent.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
My
news
friend,
all time. You are watching Juicy News on
YouTube.
One more
agent, you know. Its other name is lawlessness. Clearing agent, you know. The other meaning, lawless.
So, lawyer, you think is a bia Nanado Dankwa Akufo Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Edi Nipe bia Sebuta Frache, Wamu Suti so Nwani Suna, Echan Hueshia, Ebu Maino.
Exactly. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Until you buy now, also which you can say, yeah, Ompea, Baby, or Quasia, Bembeo. Samson, I said, we are Quasia generally, no, how more much say, Nana, or the Bembeo. So it's the same for other traits in life. Don't say, Obiso or Jimmy for. For character because say you Jimmy for the Nancy Manning different so birds of a feather and your man will pay we are so fair lawlessness and almost on very lawless no and I would betray here because this simple thing watch demonstrator what the bear court who would need to miss our bear punishing what you mean channel court Article 15. Listen, don't subject human beings to inhumane treatment. Everybody has to be treated with dignity. Obianim said, Nipa, say, me need the crowd, I mean, I'm about to maintain 3 times a day. Me, I'm myself. But when you're and you also man breakfast, lunch, supper. So, yes, I train the cop. Where I say, a man who lawyer, Abra Article 19 clause 2, So it's a lawless culture. Meanwhile, last year, other regional commander, Shaibu Pebi, Dr. Shaibu Pebi Garba, Dr. Shaibu Pebi Garba. Demonstrations, Omuchi Nipenibi. He said, Omuchi Anya Dampare Mode, into a transfer, Omo regional command, Accra regional command. I'm going to call workshop. This is our back or the workshop, police workshop near the coin. Into a no, into meetings, and I'm saying, hey, let's just say Ghana, you're calling anymore. The police regional commander, a better demonstrators, so now a trade, and Yamabia and Kuyi, now, Yatiki Bimuna Ghana, who do Fuaka Sama, after a unique wa. Hey, let's just say you're calling after this year, just 1 year on. Now, what the call a military regime, this is style kind of policing, which come. Na mo busiafo ruomo ye be kire omo bibi won this atumi so be kire obi bibi what dem say wachi no fa no kodan court na fa wadansi bra na judge him nti omudi die na
lawyer say court ya na ye de omo ko ye ya court aremand omo yo
yes ye be be no eno so de endorse nti mrama kwan say number 2 methods. Court over this small case.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all
time.
But looking at the condition, the situation, the circumstances that surround one arrest, you know, one woman Kwenya say Omo Kojo Kyeremanteng na kokasa. Why na dey no ko nipa dey ache o yesi dey o kwa akotum, ye o kwa remand. Enti lawyer kra ya mani hu, ye mabusu ni bi kra amba honom. Enti how do you have that access to see the judge? It's impossible.
Yes, enti lawyers never file papers. Enti no that there I'm hoping say to see asem na down court. And I'm for ye trouble, ye chop, ye criticizing penny for you know. This time, there, or Monfa or Munsiesa, ye be more access. You go your hoofy, you go your hoofy, papa, Dampare Anyadi, where was Ghana do. Small demonstrations, me. Small demonstrations now, what the suspects near accused persons, ACA. Small demonstrations, yes. No, Cassie, yes. When you say you're blocking road. Yashi flags me. Yes, I know your court. You did know of court. Because you can't hear who say what blocking road. You who say what's the flag. You say what say OBBB. And you why you say entry. And let's just say you pay court review. And you better court no. Because anything at court no one. And don't see any rule of law no. Until they are fast, I'm not down court. Mensah say entry ni panaso. Abra judge the case no. Nipa na obetwi suspect and accused person na so ono ne ye judge onye judge what dem say machiw o right into that right enye constitution no kwa na di mayo ke chire yen chira di ba kwa
okay
that right say men train ko men you na yakaka de mani who lawyers name enye constitution no kwa na di mayo. The fundamental human rights.
Okay.
You the back human. You see, you the once I will need power also menos. And you would ya. About the influence. You have military group, Brano. And you would ya.
Okay.
You have to see all those days. You not say a chua. You do to 1 man. And sorry, I court. And our offenses, yeah, my bill. Copying to your big gas and the gradually Supreme Court every 2 cases of weirdo. Tell me I may know Casa Martin table. Me na me day case because say about 12 offenses now actually say me and my bill say a children there in chattel so said deal. Yeah, my bill copying to the gas and maybe into the assembly 4 years, 7 years, 10 years now with them no. It's unconstitutional. And the Supreme Court did yes, say yes, I'm that was 2016. And so many other laws. Then 48 hours is 48 hours. There are like 4 decisions. Supreme Court, they will say, no, you can't be a queen. You can't a mambu and hospitals, any cars, no iPhone 16. And also, you're right.
Now,
so what I'm saying is that court, any big assembly, if you court in the assembly, Men yes, me ma lawyer, me ma we diane. Yes, baby. Apart from constitution, no, Kyeremanteng we so. Apart from constitution, no, police for us actual mumabia. Your friend of service instruction, Ghana Police Service. We are flash me. Make sure picture of it. Match police headquarters. They are containers, no one headquarters, no. Omutumbi mbet me akenkan. Apart from constitution rights, no. Omasa sure omodie. Nyame be for police human ankasa ho. But I'm interested in the human rights aspect, no. Na omuchro no. Na IGP Dampare no ka ho bi. E na omuchro ye. Nti IGP Dampare what rules na we try no ne wa na we busu because no ka ho o hwe list na no toss number he Dampare COP George Ekuku Dampare number 5 okay and we have service instruction no and person rule 16 service instruction obeti
okay.
So protect the human rights. They are there to protect human rights. How do you protect human rights? Obi accommodate or share custody no na. Why manage you? Now say what? Since krata ya motro no. Yemfanye die. Sa krata yemfanye die. If you are not willing to protect the rights of the citizens. Mensah actually, I be also more candidate whole day. Also more candidate whole day. Not that Dampare who said also didn't humanity from no court. This small thing, small demonstration, and all your amount to say. Meanwhile, every wound to me case got 2 years me.
All right.
Case no. Oh, politicians.
Okay.
I say for some time now, people are now beginning to appreciate Nyoma Yaka Dada. About Dampare or IGP. Kora, about a month ago, Bawumia went to a constituency be quiet program be all. Na say BB Koso. Na I am just withholding the name of the district commander now. Dampare transferred him 30 minutes after Bawumia called him.
Really?
Yeah, he transferred him. Now, Bawumia Nankasa went into a meeting and discussed that, saying Komu yi Dampare and Koma Ebonepa, because their attempt to want to get their decision to have wanted to get him out of the way, you know. Now, Omunim said Dampare very swift to respond to them anytime a friend is overfree. Onwa personally called Dampare, and 30 minutes after he called Dampare, that district commander was transferred. 30 minutes. You see, we have gotten to a point so we are going near. You must first understand, sir, you have nothing called security. You don't have police, you don't have anything like security. Now, whatever is happening, you only sometimes will enjoy a asumdue be free nyame. But say ke free nipa ho de. Because Dampare enyoma waye ene nyoma oguso ye. Se oyobi a oye adwuma ma ne man a na enye se oye adwuma ma your friend is saying Akufo Addo ne Bawumia no ne nkofo a enkaba na no ni kwan se nkoye Ghana police sahine onye nipa sebio odwen omanfo ho sa tete police a yenim a omo abeta omo system no ama abedrum pempenso a ansana even the last IGP a o free hon mama Dampare abano na police na say but it had not gotten this worse. But there were times enkofo bi amu NDC mu felt say, oh, Dampare is the most fine or the finest, if to put it in that superlative context. Say, yenya police ni bia or te say Dampare da. And then, what would they say about Dampare? Because of the many hindrances koswa ama ene soja ni Kwabena timi kwatra radio station me amenua no kwasi prepare amenua kase say election e koswa wa be fa ballot box no they will be ready for you. Kwabena, I don't think at this
upon paper
kwasi paper different from upon paper. I think he's in charge of the northern section.
Yeah.
Kwasi paper.
Yeah.
Oye Minua, oye Prempeh, oye won't to me no mate.
Yeah, I know him.
And I know him. Oh, Ntino. Ubetimi Agyia to mu say all these are happening because the center cannot hold. Because Kwabena adia Kwasi paper kan no is a punishable offense for even soldier ni.
I was shocked
to say things in that magnitude. And the soldier from Monamo election ho ban. Election ye waduma. Internal security nye soldier aduma. You see how worse we have become. Oye military commander. Me aminu asem na me ken. Oye military commander. He has men under him. And NDC is sitting and watching because when a soldier for Bawumia parliament, they were mute. NDC has been mute. John Mahama has been mute. And we are watching. And when things get worse like this, say it meets citizens, beyond 48 hours, they are still holding them. Beyond 48 hours, they are still holding them. And the party is sitting down and watching.
They have issued a statement.
They issued a statement.
No, I'm giving you an update.
The update is not enough. Kwabena issuing a statement.
No.
You see, the people that went.
Update.
I like it. It's good. Yeah. I mean, you are doing your job and playing the devil's advocate along doing your job. But I'm saying, issuance of statement ain't enough. Because me so far by far Kwabena and now busa me say me many that's one day as a Ghanaian senya ndisi Kwabena me donya me kameye westerns
and another point of correction
and kameye westerns
what I say Mahama mute brother soldier for call parliament Mahama condemned the act.
Kwabena, you see me can mute on you see ewiase ye betimi abetena ha Akufo Addo nya ni asori ko onye adani yanka ba yanka dada yakasa yajaka adani yakana dada yanya kan yanka si yakadada opposition leader to Akufo Addo me Mahama behavior sometimes I get worried. My worry is not just because he is up to speed, he is doing his work, but anybody be owa you don't allow it to fester to this point where they will be very much with impunity behave say you bet me akote citizens na kwakotum at this long period. Some your man so is denting the image of the country, is denting their image and all that. Fine, but you see where we have obia onu na babe dia konwa magana fo anya your friend is saying and it so wonimu no, we should see it when he is in opposition as the opposition leader. I haven't seen a statement from Mahama. And Quran may have gone wrong, yes, but the law must not be capriciously and whimsically used. What must I say? Obia from me fan say me from na ye demre dimia. Wa babe suama me no kra no sometimes no ebia me hu ni say ma fon. But say me fon we na obi de emra ahye ne nsam ya bia enya. Two wrongs them never have made a right. Two wrongs. The police is wrong, even as we talk. They are wrong. Legally, they are wrong. For holding people beyond 48 hours, it's an illegality. Are the police going to arrest themselves? We have court system, a favor and call for B. me de bia me de ni o ma bi yam fa to ho a time will come police grant me mpie no akwa akobo obi ho ban me nim the street ni mu ko me nim the ekọ so ye won kofo bi wo hodom a omo nioma omo dwen ho no it's not even about a politician or ba be kam na koma say obi slow ska wo traffic mu a obo glass mu ti say de wo de neka balance wo. Meanwhile ebi kura pa me kan no wo kura oje nansa di ewo ni botom. And you know, it's not just about say by now no I was saying you cry ya massing up at the police stations because and then ebi a wadwen ya say Oliver and Felicity
you waiting for waiting and some of your lawyer Martin Pebu on a list to where one is some one the two guarding the year democracy hop the year one the protest one year yakoye Sibibia a police for particular woman you do on Akokota yasa Aremeyaw and no some and one the atuga Meka say GCB so and our hero say we can subscribe ya for more yourself and subscribe to channel Sanse Hadia latest and hot news and kwa enamede Bremo abo you know like video and give us a thumbs up nafi share my offer for so now when you be here now and somewhere and also ewo Ghana na mo hano also betimi a share what you Afriyie so we get our ewo comment box ni wete interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.